it's not readily available, and secondly, it's expensive. So if you are making dahi vada, think about it. How many dabbas you are going to buy to make that dahi vada? You need lots of curd, but the same thing you can make it at home. Just don't milk, boil it nicely, remove the malai if you can see it, and then use that milk to set into curds. So it is good for the entire family. You don't need to buy just for yourself.
No, Shefali, she is working. She may not have time to set the curd. So
Yeah,
is it equally good, the ready-made low-fat curd?
It is equally good. Yeah, you can use that. Any other questions? आपको पूछना है? 5.
How about using skim milk powder?
How about what?
Using skim milk powder instead of...
Skim milk powder is a great option if you're traveling, if you want to make a protein shake. I always tell them you can add protein shake powder and a skim milk powder and make your protein shake. But to make curd, you will have to first make the proportion, वो देख के दूध बनाना पड़ेगा, and then you'll have to boil it well to set into curds. But if you're taking just the milk, it's fine. It's the same thing. It's a dehydrated milk, which is converted into powder.
Yeah.
You are adding water, you're hydrating it. So it's the same thing.
Instead of skim milk powder, we can use...
I cannot hear you.
Instead of mawa, I'm using skim milk powder for preparation of halwas and all.
Preparation of?
Halwa.
That's very good. Why don't you share a recipe with us?
Yeah, I always...
So she uses skim milk powder to make mawa. और मावा की तो काफी सारी मिठाइयाँ बनती है. So this will be a really good addition.
Yeah, always use skim milk.
Thank you so much. So I'll be taking the recipe from her and I'll be soon adding on a WhatsApp.
There's one recipe which I actually wanted to share. Indirectly, I'm trying to get it approved from you as well at the same time. The evening snack time, you know, when you're feeling the most munchy. So I take moong dal jor roasted, and I take half a katori of skimmed low-fat dahi, and I mix it and I have it. How is that for a snack, for a one-time meal?
Perfect.
Yay.
Very
Okay.
nice. So it's like a lentil, जो मूंग कहते हैं, dried moong kind of a thing, roasted.
Moong jor, but instead of fried, it's a roasted variety, and you even get that in a mixed dal. So you've got the chana, the moong, and 2-3
All
other which have
together.
been roasted, and I mix it with the dahi. So it gives you a nice papdi chaat kind of a flavor. So it satisfies your taste buds as well as your stomach.
Wonderful. Just be careful about the diet food that is available in the market.
Okay, Farida suggests you may even add some sugar to it or sugar-free to make it into a khatta mitha type of
To
a
make it,
version.
to give a little taste of sweetness. So just be careful on the diet food also. They claim it's diet food, but wahi diet food ko is a simple test. Put it on a paper napkin, crush it, put it under the bed and leave it overnight. Next day morning you will see the oil around. If you don't see the oil, it's diet. If you see a lot of oil around, it's not diet. They are just claiming. One more thing, there was, they are here and they asked me whether, you know, you get those kurmura kind of a thing, and they are now putting lots of different types of kurmura. Wheat puff, corn puff, and they have soybean puff. So I went to the market, I tried, you know, to talk to people about it. I couldn't find it. So I had to literally go and see it, open the packet and crush it. Soybean puff are not soybean puff. They are not using any bean of soybean to make that. It's actually, it's just a rice flour. जो wheat puff भी आप खा रहे हो, it's not the actual wheat that is puffed. If you bite it, it's just like a rice flour. Sorry? They are selling it. It's in the market. They say soya bean puff. But when I went there and I spoke to the vendor, he gave me the name of this person who supplies. So then I spoke to this person, that person who supplies to him, and he said, हमको नहीं पता है ये कहाँ से आता है. लेकिन it is called soya bean puff. लेकिन see, if it is a bean, it will not be so crunchy and so smooth. Where is the fiber? You can test it. So उसको मैंने crush कर दिया, and it was just a fine powder. So there is no tinge of even soya bean in that. Instead, you can buy roasted soya bean from Nature's Basket. Kurmura is basically, it's a rice product. So go for chana instead of kurmura. Yeah, boiled chana. It is always okay. Biscuit and kurmura dominates our snack, choice. Because it's so convenient to take that food. But instead, if we don't keep kurmura, once in a while, it's always okay. But once in a while becomes, once in a month, once in 2 months. If it becomes an everyday's practice, then you're just indulging in rice.
What about lotus seeds, makhana, roasted, if you can have them?
Yeah, roasted makhana they are pretty good. So you can take that if they are roasted, but they should not be fried. You can fry it on a tawa, dry roast, or you
Roasted
can
like
roast
the
it in a
kurmura.
microwave. That's
you.
fine. Okay, I think I have to give mic to others also. If you have more questions, more doubts, I'm here. If you are not, you cannot think of it right now, write it to me and we'll share it later with you. Thank you so much for all your time.
Thank you, Shefali. Okay, now with all that information that we got about diet, I really honestly want to know how many of you